Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share with you a brand new Solana airdrop that you definitely don't want to miss. I'll walk you through what it is, how to claim your tokens, and show you exactly what steps to follow. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'm always on the lookout for the best and most promising airdrops to help you grow your crypto portfolio. So, what is this Solana airdrop about? It's a reward campaign where users get free tokens for engaging with projects on the Solana blockchain. A great opportunity to earn crypto without any investment, right? Now let's jump into how you can get your free tokens. First, make sure you have a wallet that supports Solana, like Phantom or Solflare. The more active your wallet has been on the Solana network, the better your chances of receiving tokens. Next, head over to the official website solsdrop.com. The link is in the description. Click on Connect Wallet and confirm the connection. The system will check your wallet, and if you qualify, the tokens will be credited directly to your account. In just a couple of minutes, I received 5 Solana tokens in my wallet. It's fast and easy. But be quick. These airdrops are time sensitive and you don't want to miss out on free crypto. If you have any issues or questions, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And remember, stay active in the crypto world as new opportunities pop up all the time. Good luck everyone, and see you in the next video.